built into the edge of a collapsing cliff, this nuclear bunker had been left to decay. Cracked concrete, rusted steel, a structure barely holding on against the ocean below. But today, the restoration begins. Heavy machinery arrives. Workers battle the terrain, cutting, welding, rebuilding every damaged section. The entrance is reinforced, stronger than ever before. And then the door opens. Inside, darkness gives way to precision. Cables, systems, lighting, every detail rebuilt from the ground up. What was once abandoned becomes operational. A high-tech command center hidden within the cliff. From ruin to power. And now it stands ready once again.